Hey everybody, it's your girl Jody Ann. Welcome back, G-Trotters. You're watching Globetrotters Travel, the channel that's all about, you guessed it, getting out there and seeing the world. Today, we're diving deep into a city that's dripping in history, charm, and sweet tea, Savannah, Georgia. We're talking cobblestone streets, antebellum architecture, and enough ghost stories to keep you up all night. Get ready to pack your bags, G-Trotters, because we're about to explore the 10 best places to visit in Savannah, Georgia. All right, G-Trotters, we're kicking off our Savannah adventure in the heart of the city, Foresee Park. This 30-acre gem is like Savannah's own Central Park, a sprawling green space where locals and tourists alike come to unwind. And speaking of oaks, you'll want to keep your eyes peeled for those iconic Spanish moss-draped branches. Now, you can't come to Foresee Park without paying homage to its crown jewel, the Foresee Park Fountain. Seriously, this thing is straight out of a fairy tale. Picture cascading water, intricate sculptures, and a backdrop of those majestic oaks we were just talking about. It's the perfect spot to snap a selfie, people watch, or just take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this historic city. Oh, and keep an eye out for the Foresee Farmers Market. It pops up a couple of times a week, and it's the perfect place to snag some fresh local produce. Foresee Park is definitely a must-see when you're in Savannah. Hold on to your hats, G-Trotters, because we're about to hit River Street and things are about to get lively. Imagine cobblestones under your feet, the Savannah River breeze in your hair, and the sounds of live music drifting from every doorway. This historic waterfront used to be a bustling hub of commerce back in the day, with ships from all over the world docking to unload their goods. Today, those old cotton warehouses have been transformed into a vibrant mix of shops, restaurants, and bars. As you wander down River Street, make sure you take some time to just soak in the atmosphere. Pop into a few shops, grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants with waterfront views, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with the locals. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not hop on a riverboat cruise? It's a great way to see the city from a different perspective. Trust me, G-Trotters, River Street is a feast for the senses. From the sights and sounds to the smells of salt water and sweet treats wafting through the air, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left Savannah. Get ready to step back in time, G-Trotters, because we're about to explore the heart and soul of Savannah, the Savannah Historic District. This is where it all began, folks. We're talking 22 squares of pure history, each one a unique blend of architectural styles, lush greenery, and stories that seem to seep from the very bricks themselves. As you wander through these cobblestone streets, you'll be surrounded by antebellum mansions, grand churches, and those iconic squares that Savannah is famous for. Make sure you bring your camera, because you're going to want to capture every detail of this architectural wonderland. From the intricate ironwork to the colorful facades, the Savannah Historic District is a photographer's dream. G-Trotters, we're about to step into a place where beauty and history intertwine, Bonaventure Cemetery. Now, I know what you're thinking. A cemetery? Really? But trust me on this one, because Bonaventure is unlike any cemetery you've ever seen. Situated on a bluff overlooking the Wilmington River, Bonaventure is more like an outdoor museum than a final resting place. A tapestry of ancient oaks, Spanish moss, and ornate tombs tell the stories of Savannah's past residents. From towering obelisks to intricate carvings, each one is a testament to lives lived and legacies left behind. G-Trotters, buckle up, because we're about to drive through a scene straight out of a movie Wormsloe historic site. Imagine this. A dirt road, sunlight filtering through a canopy of ancient oak trees, their branches draped in Spanish moss. Welcome to Wormsloe. This historic site is home to one of the most photographed spots in all of Georgia, the iconic Oak Avenue leading to the ruins of Wormsloe Plantation. As you drive down this majestic avenue, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. At the end, you'll find the ruins of the Wormsloe Plantation. G-Trotters, get ready to have your breath taken away. We're about to step inside a true architectural masterpiece, the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist. This stunning French Gothic cathedral is a beacon of faith and beauty in the heart of Savannah. The interior is a symphony of light, color, and artistry. The stained glass windows create an ethereal atmosphere. Appreciate the soaring ceilings and ornate altar. The Cathedral of St. John the Baptist will touch your soul. G-Trotters, get ready to feel the creative energy buzzing, because we're about to step into a world where art is life. The Savannah College of Art and Design. better known as SCAD. SCAD is more than just a college. It's a vibrant community of artists, designers, and innovators. Wander through the SCAD campus, seamlessly integrated into the city, and see students breathing life and color into everything they do. One of the coolest things about SCAD is that it's constantly evolving. Check out the SCAD Museum of Art for cutting-edge contemporary art and design. G-Trotters, if you're looking for the beating heart of Savannah, look no further than City Market. This 4-block open-air market is a feast for the senses. A vibrant mix of shops, restaurants, art galleries, and live entertainment that perfectly captures the soul of this charming city. As you wander through the market's cobblestone streets, you'll be greeted by the aromas of Southern cooking, the sounds of live music, and the sight of local artisans showcasing their crafts. It's a place where you can find unique souvenirs, sample local delicacies, and just soak in the lively atmosphere. So pull up a chair, strike up a conversation with the friendly folks around you, and let yourself get swept away by the energy of this vibrant marketplace. G-Trotters, sometimes you just need a little vitamin C, am I right? Savannah has the perfect escape Tybee Island. Miles of pristine beaches, the sound of waves, and the smell of salt air. Climb the Tybee Island Light Station for panoramic views, explore the Marine Science Center, or rent a bike and cruise the scenic paths. Try water sports or dolphin tours, or just relax with a good book. Tybee Island has something for everyone. G-Trotters, get ready for a dose of history, mystery, and maybe even a few chills because we're about to step inside one of Savannah's most infamous homes, the Mercer Williams house. This stunning Italianate mansion has it all: architectural grandeur, a fascinating history, and a story that's both tragic and captivating. Made famous by John Barrett's best-selling book, Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, the Mercer Williams house is best known as the scene of a scandalous shooting that rocked Savannah society back in the 1980s. But even before that fateful night, the house was steeped in history, having been built in the mid-1800s for the wealthy Mercer family. Today, you can take a guided tour of the Mercer Williams house and step back in time to the Gilded Age of Savannah. You'll wander through lavishly decorated rooms, admire the antique furnishings, and hear tales of the people who lived and loved within these walls. And there you have it, G-Trotters, the 10 best places to visit in Savannah, Georgia. From historic squares and stunning architecture to delicious food and vibrant culture, Savannah truly has something for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to add this charming southern city to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Globetrotters Travel for more amazing travel content. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of Savannah is, or if you have any must-see spots that I missed. Keep exploring, G-Trotters.